if we can stay above this price target and break out of here, there is a potential for us to retest 44 to 45,000. And that right there, everybody, is exactly how we were able to exactly predict today's current Bitcoin price on our last video back when we were at $41,000, guys. If you like the fact that we were able to do this exactly on our last video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. We do this time and time again. Let's get started to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin next. Guys, like I said, we always predict the price of Bitcoin time and time again. We've done this many times in the past. Let's see what's going to happen next. So right now, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're flying a little high, meaning it looks like on the 4-hourly chart, we're kind of getting to, first of all, we're going to talk about how Ethereum, we were able to predict this big ass pattern move and how we predict exactly the price target out of here, because we said there was this big move on the 4-hourly, and then once it broke out, it would break out nicely, guys, and that's exactly what happened. So Bitcoin, let's go with Bitcoin for right now. So Bitcoin is basically reaching our target price of 44,000 to 45,000, and we're basically $500 away from the top tier of our price target. Now, guys, like I just said, Bitcoin is in a large symmetrical triangle, guys, and this is actually big, guys, because this on the 1-day chart, once we break out of here, once this whole thing becomes a fulfilled thing, we're either gonna come back down and retest here and break out of there, or break down, which I don't think we're gonna break down. I think we may obviously come like this and then eventually come out, or either one of these scenarios is gonna play out. I personally don't think it will break down, but we do need to hold support at 38,000 on the 1-day if and when we do break down, because eventually we are gonna see some running out of steam, and then gonna have to find some support and then keep going up. Basically, we want to see a higher low, guys. We do want to see a higher low. So right here we saw 35,000. Right here we saw support at 37. Right here we saw support at 37.6 again. So we want to create a higher low again, so maybe at 39,000, 38,500. We don't want to break below the previous lower lows, because then that would create a lower low, and we don't want to see that happening, guys. So personally, I think for the next couple of hours for Bitcoin, let's go check on the 1-day chart, on the 1-hour chart, guys, because that's gonna tell us, like, okay, what could be happening, because we've been pumping pretty good, guys, and I've been calling this for the last couple of weeks that we were gonna see these pumps, we were gonna see these price targets. I mean, this is not a surprise to us. We've called this time and time again. So right now it seems like we're just kind of, in a way, we're running kind of flat on the top of the price range, and it's gonna be hard to keep the steam going, guys, because we've pumped so much. I mean, look at all this, guys. This is a lot. All this blue right here, all this means that we pumped a lot already, and eventually we're gonna need to see some of that red. So the whole point of once we hit red is to see where we're gonna land. Are we gonna land at 42,000? Are we gonna land here at 41,000 and continue up? That's remained to be seen. But obviously, I do think that we're gonna retest 43,000 again. And my hope is that we can stay above 41,000, like basically around close to 42,000, or even as low as 40,000, guys. I hope that we can stay above 41 to 40,000, so we can keep going up and keep moving forward on this pump. But it just unless we're gonna get a major pump happening in the next couple hours, which we've already seen a lot of, I don't know that we're gonna keep pumping more. I just don't know. I don't think so, because look, we're already overbought on the 4-hourly for sure, and I mean, there's only so much more we can keep moving up to when we need to come down and retest some of the lower parts of the RSI and the time frames and the price actions. So with all that said, guys, let's see what happens, guys. I do think we're probably going to retest 42,000, and then we're going to hopefully keep moving up 41 to 42,000 and as low as 40,000, so we can keep moving up, guys. I think Right now, I think we could probably continue to see this pump for a little bit longer, but I do think eventually we're gonna tire out and then retest some of the lower time frames. I mean, I would be surprised for us to get to 46,000. I would be pleasantly surprised. Is there a possibility? Yes. Is it likely? For me, it just doesn't seem like it right now, but I really hope we do. I mean, I guess, and then maybe come back down and definitely retest like 42,000 and keep moving forward up. Ethereum is kind of like on a similar boat, guys. We're reaching the top of this 50-day moving average. And then the 50-day moving average is, 50-week moving average is almost going to act as a point of resistance, guys, because we're probably going to retest lower here because like I said, we've been pumping so much. Same exact thing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. 4 hourly, 1 hourly, they've probably all pumped so much. See, as you can see right there. So it's not unlikely for us to retest some of the lower parts of the top of this triangle as support. I would hope that we test them as support and then keep moving up, guys. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't be surprised for us to retest like 2,900 and even as low as 2,800 and then keep moving up, hopefully, and then keep pumping up, guys. That's what I think could be and maybe will likely be happening. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinions, but we do happen to be right time and time again. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is a very important channel you need to subscribe to because it gives you information that a lot of people aren't giving you. The raw data of what could and could not happen, and we are right many times. Alrighty, guys. We'll see you on the next one. You can always get at the rat race too.